welcome when he goes abroad, largely thanks to a massive Indian diaspora.
Prime Minister Modi is the boss.
Narendra Modi, au nom de la République française, nous vous élevons à la dignité de Grand Croix de la Légion d'honneur.
But there's no shortage of critics.
That's the signature statement of this Modi government. Democracy is being assassinated.
ये चुनाव वोट वाला चुनाव नहीं है, ये चुनाव हिंदुस्तान को बचाने वाला चुनाव है, संविधान की रक्षा वाला चुनाव है.
No matter where you land on Modi, he cannot be ignored. This year, the 73-year-old Prime Minister is gunning for a third term in office, and surveys say he is in pole position. This is the world's largest democracy and the most populous country on earth with almost 1 billion voters. So, what would another 5 years of Mr. Modi's BJP government mean for India's 1.4 billion people? And can the opposition mount a defence? We'll find out when India votes in 2024.
Becoming the third time round as far as this third consecutive tenure is concerned. Starting with US President Joe Biden, who has congratulated him, gone on to say congratulations to Prime Minister Modi and the NDA on their victory and the nearly 650 million voters in this historic election. The friendship between our nations is only growing as we unlocked a shared future. This is a shared future of unlimited potential, is what Joe Biden had to say in his message. And then we also know that Justin Trudeau has also congratulated the Prime Minister, saying that Canada is ready to work with the Modi government.
That, of course, is an interesting message. They are coming in at a time when there have been several sort of hurdles over India's relationship with Canada. The diplomatic ties between the two nations have been strained over a whole host of issues. But world leaders there coming and congratulating.
Rishika, even Maldives leader there congratulating. So as you mentioned, an issue here or there, and we also saw the leader of Maldives congratulating Prime Minister Modi. Of course, it was Vladimir Putin along with, in fact, Benjamin Netanyahu also saying. In fact, Israel's leader went on to say "Badai ho" to the Prime Minister.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, striking that balance, has also invited the Maldivian president to the swearing-in ceremony. It's going to be very interesting to see how that plays out. All neighbours, important neighbours, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives,